Today we're gonna talk about the new amendment which have come from the EU. So this is regulation EU 2026/1451. So let's try to understand this within 5 minutes with the help of this mind map. So we'll discuss what is the primary purpose, what are the exemption criteria, compliance requirement, list of exempted device. So basically this talks about the exemptions of certain devices for which clinical trials won't be applicable anymore. So let's talk about that. So what is the primary purpose of it? So there is amendment in regulation 2017/745, which is medical device regulation. Clinical investigation exemption actually talks about that only. And for which type of devices it is going to be exempted, it is going to be exempted for the well established technologies. So this is the primary purpose of it. Now let's see the exemption criterias. So any common device is simple stable design, for that it might be exempted. Well known safety records, established clinical performance, standard of care devices, and long history of union market. Okay, then let's talk about the compliance requirement. So article 61, clinical evaluation will be required, sufficient clinical data supposed to be there, product specific common specification supposed to be there, planning and documentation is required. Now let's talk about the final part of it, which is list of exempted devices. So these are the list of exempted devices. So there are journal fixations, dental and orthodontics, surgical and specialized, vascular and catheters, orthopedics and internal. So if we'll talk about journal fixation, so it's talking about sutures and staples, screw, plates and pins, wedges and clips, wires and connectors, nails and anchors. Let's move to the next part of it, dental and orthodontics. So this is filling and braces, crowns and veneers, dental implants, orthopedic device and barriers. Now let's talk about surgical and specialized. So cranial, protractor and blades, guide wires and pressure wires, forceps and cannulas, reusable surgical instruments, and pacing wires and leads. Now let's see vascular and catheters. So these are the four part of it: balloon catheters, port catheter and plugs, introduces and dilators, embolizations, coils and particles. Now talks about the orthopedic and internal. So bone filters and substitutes, stem, cantralizers, spinal portier fixation, sh- shunts and drains, internal defibrillator paddles. So this is all about our new amendment, and this is what we have discussed. Hope you have got the understanding of it. Just go through it one more time. If you want to take the screenshot of any of the part of it, you can take the screenshot of that. Thank you very much. Stay updated.